Okay, so hopefully you can hear me fine. Okay, so this next song is a very legendary song, Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. Whoever remember this song probably would be able to go back in your memory lane and try to find out a lot of memories related to that song. So this song is first time this was released on 15th August 1988, and this was a song which was conceived by Suresh Malik. And in fact, that time the government of India, they wanted to have some song which is called a national integration song, and Suresh Malik was tasked with that assignment. And then he started conceiving what exactly he would like to see into that, and he wanted all the legendary singers. If you look at the list of singers who are there into this song, who contributed, there are two Bharat Ratnas. There is one Padma Vibhushan, so you know who I'm talking about: Lata Mangeshkar, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, and M Barli Murli Krishnan. Then Kavita Krishnamurti, uh, then Sushma Sreshta, Kuruvilla, Ghanashyam Aswani, Pankaj Mitra. So there are a number of people who contributed into that song. And then with this kind of high level thought, Suresh Malik first of all approached Piyush Pandey, who wrote the song initially, and with those four lines, "Mile sur mera tumhara to sur bare hamara, sur ki nadiya har disha se beh ke sagar mein mile." So that those four lines, with that they approached the music composer. Uh, so Ashok Patki. So Ashok Patki ji is mainly known in Marathi industry, but he has done some very good films as well in Hindi, as well as a number of films in Marathi language, and he is also known as the Jingle King. So this is quite different kind of music genre compared to what it is other music directors would be doing. He has composed music for 8 to 10,000 jingles, and that's the reason he's known as Jingle King. So if you remember your childhood ads, Live Boy or Dhara Dhara Shuddh Dhara, a lot of times music from him would be appearing, and he is a national award winner as well. So when he was asked whether he would be interested to compose a music for this, so he was very happy to do that. But he said, "How are we going to get all these singers together?" And then Suresh Malik said, "Leave it to me. I'll approach these great stalwarts and make sure that we are able to get them for singing." Because as you can imagine, getting Pandit Bhimsen Joshi to sing two lines for a classical legend is a challenge itself. But when they approached, Pandit ji accepted that thing very happily. And another thing to be kept in mind is none of the artists charge a single paisa or penny for any of the contribution they did for this song. So there are a number of stories which goes by. Of course, first of all, when this song was to be made, Ashok Patki he composed three to four tunes for this one. He started with whether this could be going in Raga Yaman, and he presented those tunes to the team initially. So that said, okay, that's good, but let us hear other things. And then he presented a second one, and then third one. The third one was this one was Rag Bhairavi, and this is the tune which is Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, which got wider appreciation. And they said, this is what we were looking for, and this is what we got. And of course, once this tune was finalized, then those days, 1988, we are talking about cassettes, because that time CD players weren't there. So cassettes with the composition were sent to various singers. And Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, if you remember, and if you pay little more attention, you would realize that there is a difference between the style of singing between Pandit ji and Lata Mangeshkar ji as well. So Pandit ji, he said, "I'm going to sing it with my own style," and he adopted the song and tune as per his way of singing, and that's the reason there is a difference in terms of how he sings versus Lata ji sings this song. When the day of recording came, uh, so they said this needs to be recorded, of course, into multiple languages. So total 13 languages this song needed to be recorded. So from morning 10 o'clock they started, and by night 10 o'clock they finished recording in 13 languages. And what involved that, what all things were going into that. The first one was of course translation, because they called various language experts to come and help in terms of translation. So they came and narrated how exactly the translation goes on. But the challenge was the translation weightage, the wording, and everything was different compared to what the tune was. And that's the reason Ashok Patkiji had to change the tune, adapt it with the rhythm and everything for each language in order to make it suitable. So he was going and saying, Suresh Malikji, this is not working. This is not going to go. Suresh Malikji was saying, I don't know, but I want to hear a same song for everything, and it should sound very soothing to the ears. That's what my expectation is. You do whatever you change tune, you should change rhythm, but it has to sound very uh, homogenized kind of thing. And that's how they started making pieces of those 13 language songs. And by 10 o'clock in the night, those pieces were ready. When the songs were being recorded, Lata Mangeshkar wasn't in country. She was in Rome somewhere for her Europe tour. And that's the reason they decided to record the song, all the pieces of Lata Mangeshkar songs as well, in Kavita Krishnamurthy's voice for initially starting the video recording and video shooting with the actresses and everyone. And once she returned back, then it was recorded in her voice after a couple of weeks. So and then the final task, which was a Herculean task, was to bring in all these 13 pieces of different languages together and form a garland of those different flowers. And of course, as a part of that, Louis Banks was the person who was nominated, who was assigned that activity. And people who follow music in India would know he's a very famous pianist, and that's the reason. So all those kind of chords which go, he came with those chords, and he has woven those things in such a beautiful manner that it sounds such a nice. And of course the photography and everything, the videography which goes in the background, showing all the actors, actresses. There are a couple of interesting incidents as well. Kamal Hassan was not slated to be into the video initially, but he came to drop Bala Murali Krishna for his video recording, and he was asked whether we can shoot you as well, and he agreed happily. So that's how a lot of people came in, a lot of different instruments, and everything was shown how exactly the things were used in different parts of India, and that is how this song got the meaning what it has today. So this is small story about this song. And now we'll come to the actual singing of the song. With that story, I think that gives you background and a lot of interesting facts there. So we'll start singing the song. Um, so I'll start, and then I'll pass on to my team members. As you can see on the screen, we all are from different regions in India. We are singing in different languages. Many times, those are not our mother tongue languages as well. So this is how the things are. So hope you all like this. I'll start the song now. Hope everyone from my team is also ready. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदिया हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा
तरज जय तैन तरज एक मट बनिए सांतरज
तेरा सुर मेरे मेरे सुर तेरा मिलके बनेंगे नवा सुल्तान
मिले सुर मेरा मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा।
मुंहिंजो सुर तुहिंदे सा प्यारा मिले जॾे गीत असांजो मधुर तरानो बणे तॾे सुर का दरिया बहके सागर में मिले बदलांदा रूप लेके बरसन हौले हौले।
இசுந்தான் நம் இருவரின் சுரமும் நமதாகும். திசை வேறானாலும் ஆலிசே ஆறுகள் முகிலாய் மழையாய் பொழிவது போல் இசை நம் இசை.
ನನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ನಾಸರము నేసరము സംഗമമായി മനസ്സറിന്റെ അവതരിച്ച് എന്റെ സ്വരവും നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വരവും ഒത്തുചേർന്ന് നമ്മുടെ സ്വരമായി.
তোমার সুর মোদের সুর
সৃষ্টি করুন কয় কসুর, তোমার সুর মোদের সুর, সৃষ্টি করুন কয় কসুর, সৃষ্টি হোক কয় কোতাম। শরণ মিলন সৃষ্টি করো
চলো চেতনা।
મળે સૂર જો તારો મારો બને આપણો સૂર નિરાળો। माझ्या तुमच्या जीवाकारा मधुर सुगंध बरसती भरा। सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले, बादलों का रूप लेके बरसे हल्के हल्के हो, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा।
Excellent, very well done, everyone. We were practicing almost for 2 months now, at least once a week. So well done, everyone. Good effort, and it looks a very good team effort to perform this song. Thank you all.